Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to review Faber-Castell Tackett. So this is a reusable multi-purpose tack. So this is used in many ways because I have got this as a winning prize in a contest hosted by Faber-Castell. If you have not seen that video, you can see the unboxing video. I will give the link in I button and description as well. So here are the instructions given in different languages, and you can see that they have mentioned that how we can use this. I have already removed the strap here, so let's quickly open this up. So this strap I have already removed, so I am opening it and I will show that is it really worth buying or not. So you can see in the opening also they have used this adhesive and it was easy to remove, and I didn't thought that it will be that much easy. So please tack it here that they have mentioned here. So let's see that how these pieces look. Okay, so when I talk about the size is really good, and they are providing us 90 pieces. So this is a huge number, and we can see that there is a butter paper at the back side of Tackett's, and we have to remove the butter paper first, and then we can use how many as we want, and we can place the butter paper after our use, and we can use the remaining whenever we need. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजी है. So I am removing and I am keeping them aside. So here you can see here are our tackets. So first I will take one tacket out, and when I talk about the smell, it smells like cardboard and old textbooks smell. So it is really good smell. You would have thought that that smell would not be good, but yes, it is really amazing smell. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are total 90 pieces. I am really happy with the number that we are getting. So I am removing one tacket. Let's see that how it will work. So they have mentioned that it is a multi-purpose adhesive and it is reusable adhesive. So let's see. So let me show you from the focus that how it is. It is like a how can I define? It is like a gum, chewing gum, but it does not stick on our hand. It is something like a texture between clay and gum, chewing gum. So you can make a small ball out of it, you can use it, and you can make it small pieces. It totally depends upon you. So it is very flexible. And let me see that if I can press it. Okay, so even the butter paper got stuck, and it is easy to remove as well. So now I will try to stick one of my paintings. So this is my painting which I have done, and this is done with acrylic, and I will paste it on my wall, and let's see that will it hold the weight of this painting. So it is 8 by 12 inches painting. So I am using a small tacket on the one side, and let me place all the tackets on the 4 of the sides. So if you watch my vlog, I have mentioned already that I wanted to decorate it my all the walls with my paintings. So I think this is the right time to do that because we have a tacket. So let's see that how it works. And if you have not seen my vlog, you can go to my vlog channel. I will give the link in the I button and in the description box as well. So I shoot all the behind the scenes, and I show my life, and I share my life with you all. And also if you are new to this channel, my arts channel, so do subscribe both of my channels, and thank you so much for watching this video. So let's see. So I'm really excited because I was so much waiting to make the review of this video, and I was not at all I can say that I was busy in other drawing tutorials, and I was doing digital art as well. But I thought that whenever I will do the review of this tacket, I will make a full and good review with all you guys, so you can see that whether it is a worth buying or not. So I have placed all the tackets on the fourth side, and I will place it here. So let's see whether it will stick to the wall or not. I am pressing it lightly, and it looks very firm now. So yep, it is looking picture perfect. You can see that how it is looking after pasting. So you can see that it is pressed lightly, and it is straight and firm. It is not very chewy, and it does not even stick to the wall. You can remove it easily. I will also show you that how you can use this multi-purposely. So this is a little bit dirt, so let me clean this out with tacket. And yes, as they said, it cleans the dirt. Let me focus my camera. So I didn't thought that it would do it so awesomely. So you can see all the dirt is on my tacket. So if you work on keyboard or if you work anywhere, you can use tacket to clean the dirt. So here is a small springy. So you can see that whenever we keep it, it is mostly used in the dashboards. If you want to keep it on the table, it bounces and bounces, and it never stays on one place. So I'm using this tacket. I'm using a really small amount of tacket at the feet of this bounce. So आप ऐसे भी इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो. So देखते हैं कि ये काम करता है नहीं. So I'm placing it, and I am pressing a little bit, so you can see it is not even moving. So this is a thumbs up for my side, and it can be easily removed. It is so easy as mentioned. So I will show you, it can be easily removed. You can reuse it. You can use the butter paper. You can keep it at that place. So let's try to place this tacket on the door. So as we have seen, it can clean anything. It is reusable, and we can remove it easily. We can place it easily, and you can also paste some sticky notes. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. And it was really amazing to share my review on tacket. So I will give the link in the description box, and you can buy it from there, and you can watch my other videos as well. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.